Okay. Hi. Welcome back. I did a little pre-shuffle with my rune cards, and it seems like all these messages lately have just been bouncing off each other, like, and just really tied to each other. So all here I have it was, which the literal translation of that is horse. And the earthly meanings of that card are like moving, progress, travel, cooperation, and partnership. And on the spiritual side, it talks about progress and the duality of nature. So right then with that, especially with the partnership and cooperation here, I'm getting this is a divine connection, a soul connection. That's what I'm thinking here. And with the duality of nature, I'm getting like the yin and yang energy. So I'm getting, it's like a divine masculine, divine feminine. And we all have divine masculine and divine feminine energies within us. So this could, doesn't necessarily have to be a physical connection with somebody else. Could just be the duality, somebody's inner masculine and feminine coming to oneness and them making some progress. There's definitely some travel happening. So I've been getting travel a lot lately. In almost like actually every reading I've been doing lately, there's been travel. Then this other card is Jera, which the literal translation of that is harvest. So the first card talks about progress, and then it also talks about inner progress. So I'm getting that this person's efforts are paying off. Whatever they've been working and trying to progress on, it's coming to fruition. And now is the time for them to reap their harvest. So earthly meaning of Jera is reward, fruition. So there is a cycle closing out. And then maturity and growth. So I'm not thinking like this person is like immature as a child, whatever. I'm thinking more like spiritual maturity. And then we've got right action and natural law. So somebody here is making the right choice, which again they didn't before, and there probably wasn't very much progress going on with them, and they were out of balance. That's what I'm getting. But with natural law, I'm getting an energy of someone who was like really, let's say, resistant. And with maturity and growth here and right action, I'm getting they finally stopped resisting, and like they're kind of in a state of flow state where they're just going with the laws of nature, just like they're finally and that's where that duality of nature is coming in. That's something they're learning about, like, or accepting that nature is dual. Everything has an opposite, and we have to have those in balance. So let me see what this tarot has for us. Oh yeah, travel. There's an airplane flying out there. So there's definitely some air travel in the cards for someone. Let's see what the tarot has to say. Yep. Definitely some traveling. Okay. Page of Pentacles. Yeah, again, this person has definitely been finding balance over here and going within. But the Page of Pentacles also talks about investment and making progress too. So, and communication. Okay. Let's see what else we got. Oh, okay, so Six of Wands. Yeah, this definitely talks to the progress and fruition, reward. Somebody's getting a reward, getting public recognition, getting recognized for their work. Who's getting a promotion at work, or promotion in their life, and spiritual promotion. Someone's being elevated here because I'm getting they put in the work and now they're being rewarded. Okay. Let's see what else we got. Okay, this one fell out. The Ace of Swords. So somebody has some new ideas, and I'm getting illuminated. So got like crown chakra energy going on here. Saying somebody has some clarity and truth, like they're getting messages from the divine, from their higher self and their ancestors. But I don't know, it also feels like not only am I getting an energy of them like absorbing energy and information and light, but they're also giving it out. It's like an exchange of energy. But they look so at peace, so I don't know. So yeah, this is really talking to the whole balance. Okay. I love the cards here. Let's see what else. Oh, okay. That came out. Yeah, so we have the Strength card out here. And it's very interesting that we have the little lamb and the lion. So again, talking about duality coming into balance. And this person has an infinity symbol on their arm. So also the Ace of Swords has an infinity symbol on this card. So I'm getting this person is coming into balance. And the natural laws of nature and laws of the universe, the nature of duality, yeah, there's definitely some balancing out happening here. And then we have Six of Pentacles. So that's again, we just talked about balance. So this person here is gonna be giving to something, or someone's gonna be giving to them. And I got this little 38 here infinity symbol in there. So something is definitely infinitely abundant here. There's something that's infinite here. But then again, you're an infinite soul. So there's gonna be some sharing. Something is going to be balanced out in terms of a gift, abundance, finances. Again, this person may have been in a place of financial struggles, financial difficulties, and that's coming to an end. Somebody's coming to give them something, make them an offer that's going to get them out of this, and they're gonna be that's where this victory is coming from. So I'm getting everything is turning and working out for this person. But also I'm getting with this balance, since it's like give and take, This person may not have been very generous in the past, like not with their love or their time, like just some sort of energy. Like they were not very giving with their energy, or they were not fair in that they were not giving something that they should have been given, or they know they should have been giving. And that's what I'm getting with this energy here of right action and growth. So, and also the natural laws, you know, one of the laws of nature, you know, in terms of energy to keep flowing, you have to let go of things, you have to give for you to receive. Let me see anything else coming out here. Okay, this flipped over. So the Fool came out here. So this person is having a new beginning, progress. Yeah, progress. This person is taking a leap of faith into something here. They're starting something new. I'm getting an energy of like freedom. This person's in a place where they feel free, at peace. They're in a flow state. That's what I'm getting here. And with the Strength card, I'm getting this person is in a place where it's like they're exhibiting subtle strength. They're like understanding that you don't always have to be in attack mode. You don't always have to be in go mode. Like they're learning to be in a receptive mode. And like I'm getting take the mask off. Yeah, this person is like learning that they don't always have to wear their mask. They can just be soft. Sometimes they don't have to put on this tough exterior. Learning their strength in softness. Yeah. Okay. Let's see here. Let me see who we're connecting with, what signs we have out here. And then I'm gonna end this reading after this, I think. This is like a really short and beautiful energy. So let me see. Okay, so we have Cancer out here. Okay. We do have Cancer. Let's balance things out. Things are balanced. Okay. Then we have Saturn. Saturn is the planet of action, right action, actually, and rules Uranus. I mean, Saturn and Uranus rule Aquarius. Sorry about that, yeah. And both of those planets are about right action. And then we have Taurus here. So Taurus is very grounded. It's earth sign, very grounded. It's about comfort and love, sensuality. Okay. Let's see. We get one more. And okay, so Venus is out here, which is the ruling planet of Taurus and Libra. So since I already have an earth sign out here, I'm gonna see if I get another card. I already have Taurus represented, so getting Taurus energy is pretty is strong right now. Okay. And then Scorpio came out here, so that's another water sign. Scorpio is the sign of transformation. It's like death and rebirth, transformation, spirituality, sexuality. Okay. Let me see. I should keep the Venus. Yeah, Venus is out here. It came out again, so I'm just gonna keep it. And that's like interesting because the Scorpio card is like number 8, and then Venus, like I just randomly put it on there. It's like number 16. Get an energy of something multiplied, doubling. Okay. And then Mercury, the planet of communication, is out here. So we got some communication coming in, something about love and material wealth, comfort is coming in here, and right action. Okay. So I'm gonna end it right here. I feel like this is a beautiful place to end it. So see you next time.